Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Luvele Pure Plus yogurt maker to make a cashew and coconut yogurt sweetened with some dates. This is a great vegan and paleo recipe. It's simple to do, and best of all, you know it's loaded full of good probiotics. Our first step is to soak some cashews. That's going to activate and soften them, making them easier to digest. This is really simple. We have 1 cup of cashews. We cover that with some water and a pinch of salt and leave that to soak for at least 6 hours. These ones have already been soaking overnight, so I'm just going to drain them off and rinse them, and then we'll keep going. So all we need to do now is blend up all of our ingredients. We'll start with our cashews. Then we've got 800 mils of organic coconut milk and 2 roughly chopped medjool dates. Blend it on smoothie mode for around 50 seconds or until it's nicely smooth. The yogurt mix is ready now, so I'm just going to pour it into a sterilized yogurt jar, and then I'm going to mix through the starter. So for our starter today, we're going to use the non-dairy Pro Good starter. This one comes with a dual sachet. One is a culture starter and the other is a booster. We're going to pour both of those into the mix today. Use a sterilized whisk to mix it through thoroughly, and then you can pop the lid back on. Now it's time to get this into the Pure Plus yogurt maker. We'll fill up the water bath and set the time and temperature settings. Set the Pure Plus yogurt maker to 38 degrees and the time somewhere between 12 hours and 24 hours. The shorter the ferment, the sweeter the yogurt, and the longer the ferment, the more tangy. The yogurt's been on for 12 hours now, so I can get it into the fridge to set and chill at least 6 hours, or overnight is better. After that, it's ready to eat. So the yogurt is nice and chilled and fully set now, so let's open up the lid and have a look. The yogurt has worked out really well. It's nice and creamy, perfectly sweet, texture is great, and you know that it's packed full of good probiotics. This is a great vegan yogurt recipe, and also just a really good one if you're looking to do something different with your yogurt at home. We hope you give this one a try, and do let us know how you go, what you think in the comments section below. Hit subscribe if you want to see more of our Luvele Life recipes and other ways to use your Luvele appliances at home. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it today, and we'll catch you again next time.